Yun yung pinaka-highlights ninyo other than doon sa apat na event.
Yes po, and meron pa po kaming winners for individual na category po.
Yung, halimbawa, si Anthony siya yung pumasok na una sa finish line. So, magka-champion siya individually.
No! Nag-register po kayo as a team. Ayun po, papasok po yung team nyo as champion po. Yung team nyo po.
So, iba pa yung registration niya sa individual?
Yes po.
Iba po din yun sa team?
Yes po.
Pagkasali kami sa team, hindi na kami kasali sa
Yes
individual.
po. Kasi po, ayun, iba magkaibang category po kasi sila.
So, kung yung mahirap kasi mag-national record sa Philippines ang hirap ng rules dyan Iba yung takbo ng hangin. So, meron ba kayong special incentive sa libawang merong magre-register ng national record sa 5K, sa 10K?
National record, wala pa po kaming details regarding that. Pero ayun po, once na ma-finalize po namin, we'll send details.
Okay, thank you.
Natayo kasi ng team si dito. Team Sorde. S-O-R-E. Na nananakit sa yung mga... Soul. Team Soul. Okay, next question. Gab.
Good morning, Gapera Sports Corner. Sorry.
Lapit mo lang.
Good morning, Gapera Sports Corner. Itong Battle of the Sound, kakaiba ito dahil gagawin ito sa southern part of Metro Manila. Pero, of course, may mga iba na, for example, galing sa central part of Metro Manila, galing ka sa northern part of Metro Manila, kung sa Bulacan, sa kalapit na lugar. Ini-encourage din ba yung mga runners natin na participants galing doon sa mga northern part, since Battle of the Sound ito, na sumali dito sa fun run na ito?
Yes, kasi po ako, as a perspective ko ng isang brother, last Bulacan Half Marathon, I'm a Caviteña. Pero last Bulacan Half Marathon, dumayo po ako ng Bulacan to race po. So, it's open for everyone. Kasi Bulacan Half Marathon po, last January, it's open for everyone. And we joined po from different parts of Philippines po yun. May mga from Davao pa, from Cebu. So, it's the same lang with the Battle of the South po. This is open for everyone. Kasi more on south, more on north na tayo eh. Kayo naman yung dumayo sa amin, di ba? Maganda rin po yung race event namin, maganda rin po yung lugar namin dito sa south. So ayun, we just want to, promote po yung place namin sa ibang runners.
What are the main expectations ng nasabing event? Inaasahan nyo ba na mas marami ang mga makikilaok dito from different parts of the metro? And of course, yung mga nabanggit natin kanina, yung pet fun run, pet-friendly fun run kung saan pwede rin makilaok yung ating mga fur babies natin, ma'am.
Yes, we're not expecting po so much na sobrang daming dadayo from north, pero we are hoping na kaya po ayun, thank you po sa mga pumunta ngayon na tumutulong para ma-promote yung event namin, para ma-encourage po, para ma-invite po yung ibang mga taga-north na dumayo naman sa south at mag-join sa event namin. And regarding po sa fur babies front, ayun, it's a 1 km run with our fur babies. So, I'm sure naman po na ma-enjoy ng mga runners yung run na yun.
Last question for you, bago yung ating dalawang kasama from the sponsors. On a personal side, ano siguro ang sikreto ninyo kung bakit nagiging matagumpay ka sa inyong pagtakbo? And of course, with the help of the Team SOAR na inyong kinabibilangan mong team, pinatunayan mo na naging maganda talaga ang teamwork, yung confidence sa isa't isa through running.
Consistency, dedication, and teamwork. Ayun lang po talaga yung, for me as a solo runner, before as an individual runner, as a team member ng Team SOAR, that's my secret lang po talaga na, or yun lang po talaga yung reason ko why I still continue ko na mag-run from last year hanggang ngayon. Yes, ayun po. Dedication po talaga and teamwork na.
Okay, I like to ask muna yung mga sponsors natin. One question naman po. Ano yung basically ang magiging impact nito, especially you're in the business of creating running shoes, and of course, upang mas tumangkilik pang lalo yung mga brands ninyo to the running public, lalo na nagsisponsor kayo ng mga fun runs na katulad nito, na natin si OK Running.
Sa amin, syempre, On is a relatively new brand. So I think 50 years pa lang in the market worldwide. So it's part of our branding and branding initiatives. More about engaging with community, with the running community. So, alam natin, syempre, in the long run, merong sales component. Pero syempre it's more of meeting the audience or meeting new people. So it's more of a community engagement and branding for us.
Okay, kaya sa alam niyo, new era naman po tayo. Thank you.
For new era naman, since like said kanina, new era has been part of sports for a long time na rin. We are in the running era, so branding, we want to tap that also. And siguro, there are people then, from nationwide or wherever, when you say new era, hindi lahat nakakaalam. So we want for other people to know that New Era is also a brand that you can use for different sports.